Musovit is a web-based learning management system that supports both online and blended learning for vocational educational schools in Albania. Musovit is based on Moodle, an open-source software used by both academic institutions and businesses, since it enables a complete setup of learning functionalities with a collaborative environment to facilitate teaching and learning. To start working on Musovit, you'll first need to log in using the username or the email address and the password that is allocated to you. Once you log in, you're directed to a personalized, customizable page called your dashboard. Here you'll see an overview of the courses that you are enrolled in. On the left, you'll see a navigation list, and over on the right is a user menu with useful links, like Preferences page, where you can edit your profile, you can change your password, you can select the language you want Musovit to display in, and decide the text editor you want when typing in text. As with many modern websites, you have icons for messages and notifications. Clicking the Messages menu, you can read and send messages, manage your contacts, select who you want to exchange messages with, and how to be notified of new messages. Notifications work in a similar way. Once inside the course, the navigation bar changes to reflect what's happening in the course. There's a participants link, a badges link, grades, and the topics within the course. You will be able to navigate to different parts of the site based on your role. Roles are allocated to users based on their responsibilities and what level of access is required for them. Musovit's main feature is the ability to create massive open online courses. Once you have created a course, you can upload the course materials, you can add students, you can create tests and quizzes, you can receive assignments and submissions from students, and create submissions. If you need to create multiple courses, Musovit allows you to assign categories to them. From Musovit's admin portal, you can also change user permissions and access. You can customize the look of your course and the site, and install plugins. Musovit gives teachers and also administrators access to reports. There are a number of reports you can view in Musovit, like course statistics, live logs, activity reports, security reports, to name a few. Live logs show you a live view of activities of the site, and an activity report offers you a granular view of which student has logged into the site and the actions they took during their session. One of the best features of Moodle is that it supports a long list of different languages. The system currently lets users choose from 120 languages. You can localize Moodle into your own language and create courses that display in multiple languages. Moodle allows users to customize the look of Moodle's site, but doing so isn't very beginner-friendly. The platform does use a block editor, but it can feel a little archaic. Plus, customizing your site theme requires knowledge of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or Ajax. While this does give you flexibility, it isn't really helpful if your team doesn't have someone with the necessary technical skills and knowledge. The best thing that Moodle offers is the abundance of Moodle plugins that one can use to make the learner's experience even better. The community of developers provides a variety of tools to work with, and there are more than 400 plugins integrated in Musovit. A very useful plugin we have integrated is H5P, a free authoring tool that allows the teacher to develop different kinds of multimedia, including slide presentations, flashcards, interactive videos, quizzes, and a lot of other activities. There are more than 7,000 users in Musovit and more than 300 courses. The platform serves as an all-inclusive solution that provides easy access to education from computers and mobile devices. Teachers were trained and mentored to develop interactive and digital teaching materials on how to use a platform for distance and blended learning, enabling the creation of a wide community of users.